Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I am going to show you how to fix Messenger keyboard problem. So first, you will need to make sure that your Messenger is up to date. So go to Play Store and search for Messenger. Here you will need to check if there are any updates. If there are any updates, update it and move to the next step. So after that, you will need to go to your settings and here in apps search for Gboards. You will need to go to storage and clear the data. After you've cleared the data, you will need to go to Play Store again, search for Gboard, and check for updates of Gboard, just like you did of Messenger. And if there are any updates, update it and you're good to go. After this, you will no longer face this Messenger keyboard problem. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.